Did you know that 2% of people in Taos, New Mexico, hear a mysterious humming sound that doesn't exist? They call it the Taos hum. This low buzzing noise gives people headaches, keeps them awake at night, and makes them feel sad. But here's the weird part. No scientific equipment can pick up this sound. The government even investigated but found nothing. The strangest thing? This same phantom humming happens in specific places around the world. Scientists still have no idea what causes it,